Are you searching for a home that fits your lifestyle? Look no further. Our mission is to connect you with your perfect space. We offer a range of portable home solutions tailored to your needs. At the heart of our services are three core values. Integrity is crucial for us. We focus on open and honest communication. Your best interests are always our priority. Our customer-centered service adapts to your requirements. We ensure a satisfying and seamless home experience for each client. Excellence in what we do guarantees professionalism. Our expert team is dedicated to making your journey to homeownership successful. Let's explore our portable housing options. We offer a variety of units to suit any lifestyle. Are you ready to buy your first portable home? Enjoy comfort and convenience with our range of options. Our services include portable home sales. We simplify the home buying process so you can enjoy an uncomplicated experience. Home management. Relax while we handle all aspects of managing your portable home. Portable home consulting. Invest with confidence. We provide expert guidance to help you spot the best opportunities. Storage solutions. We make it easy for you to find either residential or commercial portable spaces. Office space solutions. Our portable homes can convert into the perfect office, all within your budget. Indoor storage. We assist landlords and tenants in optimizing their spaces for maximum benefit. For instance, consider our 2-bedroom, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom modern expandable prefabricated home. It features an innovative double-wing design with a mid-century look. The structure is made from durable materials, ensuring comfort in any weather. The home is adaptable, perfectly fitting into courtyards or as a standalone villa, while boasting enough space for comfortable living. In just 6-8 weeks, you could have your own portable house, complete with pre-installed kitchen and bathroom fixtures. Are you ready to make your move? Unlock your ideal portable space, discover the freedom of homeownership, and thrive in your new environment. Explore our portable solutions today and connect with us for more